Hello viewers, in today's tutorial I'm going to be solving this quartic equation, that is the equation with degree 4. So now as we have this, so the possible values of this equation will be 4. So now let's see how we are going to solve this. So from here, so I can try to bring out what, or divide through by what, by 2. So if I divide through by 2, this is going to be x to the power 4 plus 3 x squared minus 20 divided by 2. I'm going to be having 10, then equals what, equals 0. Are you following? So I divide through by what, by 2, because 2 is common. So now from here, what's the next thing to do? So now from here I can rewrite this x4, that is to be x to the power 2, then x to the power 2, and this one here can be, that is 10, can be written as 5 times 2 multiplication, then multiplication here. Are you getting it now? So now from here, s squared times s squared, I'm going to be having this. So let me try to do cross multiplication. Are you there? So with cross multiplication, this times this, I'm going to be having 5 what? 5s squared. Then s squared times this, I'm going to be having 2s squared. Are you getting that? But here, what we are going to do is that we are going to look at what can we do to 5s squared and 2s squared, so that we have this middle term, which is what? Which is 3s squared. Okay, so therefore what we can do is that if we put plus there and put minus there, consider that plus 5s squared minus 2s squared, I'm going to be having 3s squared, which is plus. Okay, and that is the same thing I have here. So since I put plus there, plus will be here, I put minus there, minus will be here. So therefore I can have this to be what? To be factored in this form. We pick this one, s squared plus 5, okay, then s squared minus what? Minus 2. The 0 that we have here, you are going to put it there. So now from there, so the next thing we are going to do is that we can see that this is 0 form equation. So it is either s squared plus 5 equals 0, or what? S squared minus 2 equals what? Equals 0. So now from there, the next thing we are going to do is that we are going to send this 5 to this side. Okay, we are going to be having minus 5, okay, or s squared, okay, equals to what? Equals to 2. Are you following? So now from there, so the next thing we are going to do is, so I'll pick this one, okay, so s squared, are we there, equals to, so this minus 5 can be written as minus 1, then multiply by what? Multiply by 5. So now from what? From complex plane, we have what? We have minus 1 to be equals to I squared. Are you getting it now? So we replace this minus 1 by what? I squared. So we are going to be having s squared to be equals to 5i squared. So from there, we try to what? To take the square root of both sides. Okay, so taking the square root of both sides, I'm going to be having this to be s equals to plus or minus 5i. Are you following? So these are the two possible values, that is the first possible values of what? Of x. Then also I pick this one, I'm going to be having s squared no equals to 2. I try to take the square root of both sides. So this one we cancel this, that this square we cancel the square root. I have x to be equals to plus root 2 or minus what? Minus root 2. Okay, so I have what? I have this, this, and this to be what? To be the solution to the problem. You can see this is 2, 1, 3, and 4. So those are the the 4 possible values of what? Of x. So if you find the class very interesting, so do not hesitate to follow our Facebook page for more exciting videos. Thank you. Bye.